Hi students, Mrs. Jarvis here. Today we're going to solve a problem involving finding unit price. Now, a unit price is a price for one item. It may also mean 1 ounce, 1 pound, but it's looking at the price per one part. So for example, let's take a look. If you were given 2 different deals, you could go to one store and purchase a 5-pound box of chocolates for $14.95. You could go to another store and purchase a 12-pound box of chocolates for $40. These both seem like good deals. I'm just not sure how much I'm paying per pound. Now, that's why I'm going to use my unit price to compare these 2 deals and see which one is actually a better deal. I'm going to do this by first setting up a proportion. These are equal ratios. Now, the ratio for the 5-pound box of chocolates was $14.95 for 5 pounds. Now, I always tell my students that you always want to put money on top of your proportion. All right, so $14.95 for 5 pounds. I'm trying to find the price for 1 pound. That's my goal, since I'm looking for a unit price. Now, I can solve this by putting my top dog in the doghouse. My top dog is $14.95. 5 will go outside my denominator. Now, bring up my decimal, and 5 goes into 14 2 times. Left with 4. 5 is going to go into 49 9 times. I'm left with 4. 5 is going to go into 45 9 times. And my solution is that this is $2.99. I'm going to write it in right here. Per pound, $2.99 per pound. So I'm going to write that down in word form. $2.99 per pound. This is called my unit price right here. I'm going to also label this as my unit price. This entire ratio represents my unit price because it has 1 in the denominator. This ratio represents a rate. The rate for this box of chocolates is 5 pounds for $14.95. The unit price is $2.99 per pound. Now, let's take a look because we're going to compare it to another store that's selling a 12-pound box of chocolate for $40. Now, I'm going to show that work by putting money on top, $40 for 12 pounds. I'm looking for the price of 1 pound. Now, I'm going to solve by putting my top dog in the doghouse and my denominator outside. 12 is going to go into 40 3 times, and that gives me 36. Now, 40 minus 36 is 4. When I bring down a 0, 12 goes into 40 3 times, and that gives me 36. Now, I can see, that 12 is also going to go into 40 3 more times. I'm noticing a pattern here. My 3's are continuing. Now, because I know this is money, I'm going to go ahead and stop right here. Money's going to be rounded to the nearest cent. So, this will go $3.33. The 3 in the thousands place was not large enough to bump it up to 34 cents. It would have to be a 5 or above. So $3.33 per pound. This is my unit price. I'll write it down right here. $3.33 per pound. Now I can compare. This rate started out as $40 for 12 pounds. And this unit rate is what I'm going to compare. The unit price for this deal is higher than the unit price for this deal. So the better buy is going to be to purchase the 5-pound box of chocolate for $14.95. That might also be the healthier choice. All right, students, I hope you have a great evening, and please ask your teacher if you have any questions about finding unit price.